Hello. So I am taking you through this little code that I made for my first real experience in C language. It's a Scattergories game, and I had never coded in C before, so I thought this would be a fun thing to do. I've played this game a few times, and I thought it would be simple but still a good challenge to try to code it in here. And so here's my code. This is my main class here, and it is pretty long. It's really just loops, like while loops and if statements, and I got a lot of different variables in here, and I've got displays to the console. I've got places where it takes some input from the user. And then I also have a couple of other classes I've defined. So this is a letter class. This is just to get a new letter, a random letter. And this is actually pulled from a CSV file I have that has all the letters on it. And it just goes in there and pulls a random one out. I have this prompt file as well, as prompt class, and this also pulls from a different CSV file that has about 60 prompts on it. And so actually I'm just going to do this as well. Okay, so and then I'm just going to take you through real fast. So for some reason I have to keep clicking, choosing that asset to build every time I run this code. I don't know why my computer hasn't saved that, but so it gives me a little welcome message and tells me how to play the game a little bit. And so it says get paper, something to write with, and get a timer going. I'm not going to do it, but let's say I was. It then says how many prompts would I like. So I'm just going to put the prompts, how many prompts I want. I usually do it with 12. And so I'm going to click through, and it's going to populate 12 prompts, and it's going to populate a random letter. And then I'm supposed to start a timer and wait, and then think of words that start with P that are described by these prompts. When the time runs out, you put an F in, and then that gives you new options, which is you can either put an N for a new letter, you can put an R to restart game, or you can press Q to quit game. So I'm gonna press N again. If I press N, then you'll get the same exact prompts that we just used, but a new letter. Generally, categories games are a few rounds with the same prompts, but different letter. So here's that option for you. Click F again, go through, and then you can click again. You can enter N or R or Q. So if you press R, it's gonna restart. And it's gonna give you this welcome message again, and then it's going to ask how many prompts you like. So I'll say 10, and then I get 10 new ones from the list of 60, and that gives me a new letter. So the timer again, and then I'm done. I click F, and then I can keep going, or I can just press Q and quit. So that's pretty much all how that goes. And yeah, that's all I really have. But thanks for watching and for listening to my spiel here. Anyway, thank you.